Want to have a stress-free move?
Yes!
With these moving tips, it's sure to help you out. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts, but this video is more like hacks. Well, let's just jump in on my top tips for moving that kept me sane. The first tip is to acquire free boxes. You can go to a grocery store or a liquor store, and most of them are willing to actually give you their empty boxes. What I like about the liquor store boxes is that they're usually very strong because of the glass bottles they have to hold. And a lot of us get a ton of packages in the mail, so keep your small ones but especially the larger ones. The small boxes are good to help organize within your larger boxes if you want to categorize stuff. But a lot of times when you get your Amazon packages or whatever your deliveries are, there aren't any handles for these boxes. So I just want to show you real quick how you can put a handle into the box. So there are two different methods. One, you can do a small rectangle. You're just going to cut a U shape. So 2 lines down and 1 across. And there you have it. Or you can do the triangle. Now you have somewhere to grab. Can you tell I use Amazon a lot? Another great way to help with your packing is to reuse those bubble wrap packages. I just cut them open till they're flat sheets, and I used it for glass bottle decor, for my glasses, in between my plates. Just protect any surfaces. It was very useful. So if you have time, start collecting them now. So when it comes to organizing how you label your boxes, there's a few different ways. The most, time efficient way are these really cool moving label tape rolls, or just moving labels. They actually are already color coded and it says the full words. You just have to slap it on there and you're done with it. The more affordable option, and something you can use again, are markers. I love these king size Sharpies. You can even go a step further, and when you label your boxes, you can color code, like this is just blue is for bedroom, red is for kitchen, and black's for bathrooms. So you can go a step further with that. But do you really want to write kitchen on every single box? That's a lot of letters to write, especially when you're going to be packing like 60 boxes. That's how much it was in my case. Can't believe it still. But so I actually just used a different coding system by just putting the first initial and then a number next to it. Why put the number next to it? It makes it so much easier to find it when you digitally record. Also, I know this sounds a lot, but if you continually do it as you're going, it actually goes by super fast. So let's say I have this box packed up and ready to go. This is actually, I've already written on all 4 sides and the top for me, because I'm a little OCD like that. But B1. So this is my bedroom 1 box. Now it's just from my closet. So I have winter gloves, sunglasses, and like a pool float stuff. Just random things, but it goes in the bedroom. All you do is just take a picture of what's on the top. You packed it. The photo will jog your memory when you look at it about what else is in there. But the key is you're actually going to rename this image as B1 and your top 2 or 3 things that you know you would like look for. So I'll put B1 winter gloves, sunglasses for this box. Because if I ever search those terms in my Google Drive, it'll immediately pull up that photo and I will know where everything is. That has honestly been such a huge lifesaver for me when I was unpacking, because whether it's just kitchen items and saying like K15 has the pots and pans, or K3 had the pantry food, you can just very quickly go into your Google Drive, find your search term, and then find it, whether it's vitamins or boots or whatever you need, gardening tools. This has made unpacking and searching for things so fast. And another tip, when you're doing this many boxes, I was hesitant at first, thinking whether or not I should buy a packing gun, because I'm like, I'm moving once, I won't move in another 5 years. Do I really need a packing gun? Yes. Yes, you need a packing gun. It is actually super helpful, and it makes taping the boxes very fast and very easy. As I was packing everything up, I was so thankful that I bought one, because I still couldn't believe how many boxes I actually boxed up. And when you record all your numbers and your letters, you'll see how many you do, and you're just like, what? I had all this in my house. When you're packing up your home, it's going to get very cluttered with a bunch of boxes, and it's going to stress you out. One tip that really helped me was, after a box was fully packed, labeled, digitally recorded, I fit it back into some of the furniture. And so I wouldn't keep opening and closing the doors. I would label my furniture doors E for empty or V for box, meaning that there is something already in there that I'll have to move later. But visually, I have most of the boxes off my floor so I can still walk around. I even turned my master closet into like a full box storage unit where it was just boxes piled all the way to the ceiling. But with the door closed, I was still living in a normal apartment. And sometimes, if it's one of those last minute boxed items, I would even box it up but keep it open so I know it has a home and I don't have to find another box for it. What is your favorite moving tip? Whether I've mentioned it or a new one you would love to share, please comment below so we can all learn. When you're packing your things up, it makes your life a whole lot easier if you just make a packing tote. In my packing tote, I have some random Ziploc bags that I might want to reuse to gather cords or knickknacks or anything to help with the packing process. Then, of course, I'm going to have my tape gun. I'll have extra tape in here as well. A box cutter just in case. Some scissors maybe. And of course, however you're labeling it, whether it's with those stickers or using your markers. So now you know when you're ready to go and pack up your stuff, you just grab your tote. When I was moving and doing a bunch of research, one thing that I never even thought of was having a essentials tote for move-in day. Now, essentials are exactly what it is, what you're gonna need right away. Some toilet paper for the bathrooms and hand soap. And then for the kitchen, it would be great to have a sponge, dish soap, some garbage bags, and all-purpose cleaner just in case, and some paper towels. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can click the card right up here, or click here for what YouTube says is best for you. And of course, don't forget to watch the blooper at the end, and I will see you guys next week. What is your favorite movie?